Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will explain to you quickly how to get code from Google Authenticator app. Firstly, of course, make sure to install it and open it. Then be sure to also add and find your accounts. Identify the correct account and look for the account you need to get the code for. Each account is listed with its label, for example Gmail or Amazon, and shows a unique 6-digit code. Read the code. The 6-digit code next to your account's name is your current authentication code. It refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter the code in the website that requires the code, input it, and proceed. Also, pro tip, if you don't see the account you need, double check that it's been added to Google Authenticator. If not, you might need to scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key provided by the service. Hopefully this helps you. Press like if this video helped you, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.